Hi, so this is part 3 of our 3-part live series today. Welcome back. If you have watched all 3, we really appreciate it. What we thought was important is to share a question that we wanted to answer. And so today we have myself, Chrissy Mashinsky, the founder of USAstrong.io. And we have...
Hi, it's Mimi again, head of design.
And Alyssa, head of sales.
And Alyssa, you're based in...
New Jersey.
And she also oversees New Jersey Strong, which is one of the 12 states that we have up and running. And we want to share first what the question is. So if someone could share the question with us.
How is USA Strong helping the local communities?
So the question is, how is USA Strong helping the local communities? And it's a very simple answer. 95% of the profit of USAstrong.io in the marketplace goes back directly to the community. There is not a single marketplace out there today that can say that. And we can explain how that works. You design it with us. You make it. We sell it. The profit, 95%, goes back to you. The nominal fee that we're taking of 5% is to cover simple logistics on our end. That is unlike any marketplace out there currently. Other marketplaces out there, like an Amazon, they keep the majority of the profit. That has to stop. And in order for all of us to be successful in our local communities, we need to work together. So some of the things that we've been talking about is how to effectively communicate that, right? And I thought Alyssa had a really good way to explain that.
So, Chrissy, I was talking to someone yesterday out in New Jersey. And
where in New Jersey?
Hunterdon County, also where I'm from. She sells honey, and she has a wonderful business with her husband and her 2 kids, and hopefully we're going to get them to partner with us later today. We have a meeting. We want to take your products that are made in any state from anywhere, put it up on our website, and have people shopping locally. So when they sign on to USA.strong.io, they are going...
USAstrong.io.
.io, please. USAstrong.io, you are going to be just directed straight towards your local community. We are geotagged, so when you sign on, you're automatically going to be shopping local products and products from your community. So basically, to sum it up, the more products we have on our website and the more entrepreneurs and locally made businesses that are willing to come over to
and partner with us
website and partner with us, we will be then selling their products, and as the people go to find their
local community,
something that they need, they will be able to in turn kind of start that cycle.
Right, which is what we call the flywheel.
The flywheel.
Right? So the more people selling on our site brings more viewership to the site, and then you're buying locally made products from your community, which means that profit is going back into the community, right? So it's a simple flywheel, right? And that's how you have to think about it. And I think that it's important that the community builds the marketplace, right? And we want to see that product. So as you reach out to us, or you reach out to your local ambassadors, we have ambassadors in 12 states right now, and you may hear from them, or you can go directly to the website, usastrong.io, and apply. You can apply to be an ambassador to work for us. You can apply to be a state director, where you make 10% commission off of all the sales from your state. or you can apply to be a vendor or retailer on our site. And we're going to look at that product and say, okay, is that made locally? If it is, we want you to be on the site so that people that want to buy locally can. And Mimi, do you have anything you want to share about that? As a designer, how does that resonate with you?
It resonates with me and the whole creative community across the country, because there are girls and guys everywhere right now, like in their homes, and they have that power to create. I mean, you're working from home. I mean, you can create from home, and you can, if it's being made here and you're going to be selling it to the community, then that community in turn is going to want to buy from you. So it goes and cycles back
round and
where
round
you're from. So I mean, and for me, it was so inspiring. This past week we had a gal in California, shout out to Izzy, we gave her the Chrissy crew neck set that, I mean, is selling out so fast. It's amazing. It's the all white one, and she is such a creative. She's an artist, and she hand tie-dyed with local made dyes and products, even down to the dyes itself was locally made in California. So that's like what we're trying to implement. And she did an amazing photo shoot.
And showing how it's made, I think, is important, right?
She showed the process, and you know what? We're selling it on our site now.
It makes you happy. It makes you want to create. It made you, kind of say, "Oh, I could do that. I could sell." That's a contest next week.
Yes,
we have to do that.
Love it.
And we're looking for other young entrepreneurs that maybe haven't started to make products yet. You heard from FYB, you heard from Alyssa how she started in her dorm room, which I think is just an amazing story. I am so grateful to have launched her products today, her 2 or 3 beautiful bracelets, and then how she's inspiring you, the community, to join in designing the 4th bracelet. And I hope you take her up on that offer. I think it's amazing how we're even going outside of the typical products. And Jessica is donating her time to find models that we can hire from Florida to be on our site in the future. I think that what we can do next week is maybe show the community how to tie-dye.
Tips and tricks, because sometimes you're using a little too much dye, or you're not like drying the garment after, so it bleeds in your wash of whites. So we have those tips and tricks for you.
So if people are selling in the community, people will buy in the community, and the community will flourish. So thank you. It was great to see everyone today. Have a great, Thursday Eve?
Friday Eve.
Friday Eve. Have a great Friday Eve, everyone. Bye. We'll see you next week.